Hello students, today I am going to start our new chapter, chapter number 14, that is factorization of algebraic expression. So firstly, what is algebraic expression? Variables and constants connected with the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division form algebraic expression. For example, 3x square plus xy minus 5y. This is an algebraic expression because in this expression variables and constants are connected with addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now, greatest common factors of monomials. The greatest or the highest common factor, it means HCF of two or more than two monomials can be found out by taking all these factors which are common or are appearing in all the given monomials. So firstly, we will do factors of given monomials and then we take all these factors which are appearing in all the given monomials. So first example is find the greatest common factors of the following. First is x square y and xy square. So firstly we will do factors of x square y and xy square. So factors of x square y is equals to x into x. X square means x is 2 times. X into y. And factors of xy square is x into y. Now we will find out same factors. So x is appearing in factors of both of these two monomials and this y is also appearing in these two monomials. So x into y, that is equals to xy. So greatest common factor of x square y and xy square is xy. Okay, greatest common factor on HCF is same thing. Now 91x square a, 169x a square and last is 13xa. We have to find greatest common factor or HCF of these three monomials. So firstly we will do factors of these three monomials. So factors of 91x square a are 7 into 13. These are prime factors of 91 and x square, x into a. Now factors of 169x a square. 13 into 13 into x into a. Factors of 13xa. 13 into x into a. Now common factors. 13 is all in three monomials. So firstly 13. Now x. Okay. This is common in all three monomials. Now a. So 13 into x into a. That is equals to 13xa. So this is greatest common factor of 91x square a, 169x a square and 13xa. Now factorization of polynomials. First factorization by common factors when we have an expression of the type ax plus ay. For example, write each of the following as the product of two factors. 3a plus 6b. So firstly, factors of 3a is 3 into a and factors of 6b 3 into 2 into b. So 3a is equals to 3 into a plus 6b. 6b equals to 3 into 2 into b. So 3 is common in all these two terms. So we will take 3 as common. So a plus 2b. Remaining part is a plus 2b and 3 is common. So 3a plus 6b is equals to 3 into a plus 2b. Now second example is 8x minus 16x square. Firstly we will do factors. 8x. Factors of 8x is 2 into 2 into 2 into x. These are prime factors of 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into x. Now we will do factors of 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x. So 8x minus 16x square is value of 8x is 2 into 2 into 2 into x minus value of 16x square 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x. Now 2 into 2 into 2, this is common into x. This is also common. So we will take common 2 into 2 into 2 into x. So here 1 will remain. 2 into 2 into x bracket 1 minus 2x. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So 8x bracket 1 minus 2x. So 8x minus 16x square is 8x multiply by 1 minus 2x. So this is in the form of two factors, 8x minus 16x square. Now second, factorization by regrouping the terms. We have to factorize xy minus 5x plus 7x square. So firstly we will do factors of all these terms. Factors of xy, x into y. Factors of 5x, 5 into x or x into 5. Factors of 7x square, 7 into x into x. These are factors of 7x square. Now xy minus 5x plus 7x square. Factors of xy is x into y. Factors of 5x, x into 5. And factors of 7x square, 7 into x into x. So x is common in all these three terms. So we will take x common. And here y will remain. Y, here 5 minus 5, and here 7x is remaining part. So plus 7x. So x bracket y minus 5 plus 7x. Okay students. So this is in the factor form of xy minus 5x plus 7x square by regrouping the terms. Now second example is 15 pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. When we take 15 pq plus 25 pq plus 15 plus 9q together, then 15 pq and 25 p, then 5p is same thing in all two terms. So 5p is common, then what will remain? 3q. If we divide 15 pq by 5p, then we get 3q, and here 5. So 5p into 3q plus 5. So factors of 15 is 3 into 5 p into q, and factors of 25p is 5 into p. So 5p is common, and from here 3q is remaining part, and from here 5 is remaining part if we take 5p as a common. Now from these two terms, 15 plus 9q, factors of 15 is 3 into 5, and factors of 9q is 3 into 3 into q. So 3 is common, and from this term 5 is remaining part, plus from this term 3q. So 3 into 5 plus 3q. So 3 plus 5, 3q plus 5 is same factors in these two terms. So we will take common 3q plus 5. Now 5p plus 3. So factors of 15 pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p is 3q plus 5 and 5p plus 3. Now students, you have to solve your exercise 14.1 with the help of given examples, and if you face any problem in any question of exercise 14.1, then you can ask me.